Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about data types in Java. In the previous lesson, we have seen int data type. Let us see two more data types, char and boolean. So let us declare, I want to declare char first. So I would do that by declaring data type char, and I want to store capital K in it. So this variable name can be anything. It can be capital KITE, kite, or whatever. It doesn't matter actually. You should use something that makes sense though. So since I'm going to store capital K, I'm naming this char variable name as capital K and assigning a value of capital K in it, and a semicolon is followed right after every statement in Java. So that's the notation, that is the syntax. So I want to print out this particular capital K, so I would do system.out.println, and there is a shortcut. If you can type in SYSO and do control spacebar, it will give you an option to select so that you don't have to type every time. All you need to do is select that, and now I'm going to print this chart to the screen. All I do is system.out.println and the variable name. Let us right click and run as Java application, and we can see K is being printed out here, right? Let us try to store KI into the variable char. Char variable, you have to mouse over and see the error message it's showing up. It is saying invalid character constant. And if you look into the problems here, if you expand on the error, you will get the same message, invalid character constant, because a char variable holds only one character at a time. It cannot hold multiple characters. That's why it's complaining about invalid character constant. So once I remove that I, it will be happy again without the red underline. So that's the character declaration. And let us take a look at a boolean declaration. BOOLEAN. This is a boolean for pass or fail, and this can be assigned a value of true or false, one of those two. So again, I will do the same sys out here and try to print out this value, and right click run as Java application, and it prints out true here. So if I declare it as false, if you run as Java application, it will print out false right there. So booleans hold true or false. Character variable holds a single character, and integer holds integer values. Here's the simple assignment for you at the end of this lesson. Know about other types we have in the data types. So we have seen specifically integer, char, and boolean. Read about byte, short, long, float, and double, and try to work on them. Quite honestly, unless it's a mathematical application, you won't be working on the remaining data types a whole lot. You will be using integer, char, boolean, and string, which we did not discuss yet. These four data types more regularly than any other data type. So with that, I will conclude this lesson. We'll see you next time. Thank you.